A literate country is an empowered one. My name is Mbalekwa, and I'm the program manager at Shine Literacy. We focus on supporting early literacy in our quest to create a culture of reading. This is where organizations like ours come into effect, where we are showing parents how to support their children and their children's education. Literacy is the cornerstone of education and access to education. So by improving access to literary resources, we can help children unlock the lifelong learning as readers. When children are finally able to read, they feel empowered